Good morning. It is day 11 of Vlogmas. I wanted to show you guys my Santa mug. I feel like I got this from Hobby Lobby like 4 or 5 years ago. I think I got it from there. So don't quote me on that one, y'all. But I love this mug. I love the pale pink. It's just really cute. So I just wanted to share it with you guys, and it's my favorite mug to pull out around this time of the year. So tonight is some cinnamon rolls this evening. That is our holiday bake for tonight. Something pretty simple and easy. We just had our dinner not too long ago, and so now it's time for some cinnamon rolls, y'all. Here they are, fresh out the oven before we put the icing on them. They came out really good and really big. Good morning. It is Tuesday. Happy Vlogmas. This is one of my favorite cups, and it's actually a gift from one of my friends a few Christmases ago, and I love it. I believe it's from Target, so you have probably seen these at Target. So yeah, these are great Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, things like that. I really like this mug. And like I said, you should be able to find it at Target because I've seen them plenty of times and they are good quality and I really like mine. I usually put a dash or two of ground cinnamon in the top of my coffee, and then I also put a dash of ground nutmeg. Just a dash though, not too much. It just adds a little bit of an extra element of kind of a spice, and not spice in like a pepper type of way, but more of just kind of a warmth, a different element or level of spice to my coffee. And of course, this is my almond milk creamer. This is from Waffle House 2012, so many moons ago. I love this mug. They have, I believe Waffle House does these every year, and I think they sell out pretty quickly. But if you happen to like Waffle House, then you may want to stop in there and see if they have like a collector's mug, because yeah, I think they sell out every year. So I have a white headband that would probably go better with what I'm wearing today. This particular headband does not go with what I'm wearing, but it stretches really good without being too loose. So that's what I'm rocking. And I'm rocking this kind of high ponytail. And I think it's super, super cute. I love this hair. I got it from Amazon. And I forget the name of the twists that these are, but it's a different type of hair twist. I'll try to put it on the screen or link it below. So it's just really small twists that have been curled at the end. And I love the ombre. I've gotten ombre before with different crocheted extensions. So, and that's all this is. Crochet extensions, but I love it. I love the bounce. I need to get to work. So you guys, I had to stop and grab some snacks today for work, and I picked up this Liquid Death. I have seen these before, but I thought they were like energy drinks, but apparently they are carbonated water. This one is Convicted Melon, and it tastes okay. It tastes fine, no big deal. But I also saw this, I guess it was a water drink that was called cocaine. Y'all, why are they naming things just anything? I was like, I don't care what it is, I'm not drinking that. But yeah. But I also found these Albanese. Listen, you have to try this sour gummy worms. They are so good. I've tried the regular ones from them, and I've also tried the regular gummy bears from them, and they were okay. But the sour ones are so good. Hey guys, I am in the garage, which also has our washer and dryer, and the dryer is going right now, so I'm hoping you guys can hear me. But this is going to be a pretty uneventful Vlogmas. Tonight I was going to put up my new garland on the mantle, and this is a pre-lit garland, and it's to match the garland I have above in our archway between the living room and the dining room. Well, I was about to do it, and then I remembered that I have some battery operated candles that are really nice, but all of them are dead. So I need to get the batteries for them, and they're those round coin shaped batteries. So I actually need to go get them, and that would make the whole mantle look complete. And I really don't want to put the garland up yet without having those working. So wah wah. But I also wanted to, I bought some ribbon when I was at Hobby Lobby getting that garland, and I'm thinking of putting some of my additional ornaments that I'm not going to use on any of the trees. I'm thinking of putting a ribbon around those and putting them on the drapes in the living room. So just a few of them, and I don't know how that's going to turn out, but that's the plan. So finishing up my Christmas decorating is taking so long. But I am getting there, you guys.